What is up, guys? What is up, guys? Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to get network marketing leads online. What is up, guys? If you guys are watching this hashtag replay, if you guys are catching the live, even better, yes. Awesome, guys. Hey, have you guys been trying to get network marketing leads? Basically, like trying to actually get recruits. I'm not talking about your friends and family. Those are like the low-hanging fruit. Sure, go after them if you want. Ruin those relationships if you want. But I'm talking about actually recruiting people that you want on your team, that you want to join on your team, that are builders, that are online business builders, that are people that are going to build your business. So like, you actually get those right type of recruits, right? And so today I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to actually share my screen in a few seconds. I'm going to be showing you guys how I have been able to recruit basically like not only for my network marketing business, and I've been able to recruit the right type of affiliates, the right type of networkers, the right type of marketers. And it's a completely different style that I see out there. And so I really want to show you guys how I'm doing it and basically just give you guys as much as I possibly can. And so, all right, so we're going to dive right into it. Step one, right? We're going to do a little 3 steps of how to actually get network marketing lead. Step 1, you guys need to think of the right type of bait, right? Like if you guys are going to catch a big fish, right? And you guys are going to try catching, you know, like a whale, right? You're talking like actually catching a whale, like somebody that's going to do amazing things for you. How do you go fishing for that whale? Right? Like that's what you really need to think, how to go fishing for that whale. Like, how do you catch this? How do you catch this, you know, this whale, you know, and that's essentially what we're going to be teaching, right? So the very first one is your bait. You must go fishing with the right type of bait. And so I'm going to share my screen. Boom. There we go. Desktop. All right, I'm going to share my screen. So recently I created a website, right? When we're talking about the right bait, we're talking about we got to say something and promote something that's not just our products. You know, like we can't just like lead all the ways with that. When we're trying to catch that right type of person, usually they're interested in the opportunity. And so we want to actually have the right type of bait, right? So if you guys go to onlinetrafficgods.com/free MLM, I have created a really awesome bait that attracts the right type of person, right? And so I have one of my strategies. Oops, that's traffic on demand. That's the wrong one. Free MLM. All right, if you guys go to onlinetrafficgods.com/free MLM, yes. All right, so guys, this is one of the websites that I created, and I love this thing. This thing is awesome. So I literally, I created this website, and the cool thing about this is I can give this entire website away, right? And so when I created this, I created it so I could basically attract those whales. I was like, man, if I was a whale and I'm trying to attract the right type of person, what would I be interested in? What would I want? You know, and I know that most like high-end multi-level marketers, high-end network marketers, they really want to go full online, full digital. And so I created a website, and I'm able to give it to them. And so that is my bait, right? So you got to go fishing. Right, if you guys are watching this live, hashtag go fishing. All right, so you got to go fishing, right? So you must put out the right type of bait, right? Think about your dream customer. Think about who you actually want in your business, not who's good for the product. It's a different story. Who do you want in your business as a business builder, and what kind of bait can you create and attract them, right? So this is one that I use. It's a very, very effective of getting multi-level marketers in my business, MLMers, and then they come in, they're like, dude, this is awesome. I'm going to promote the heck out of this business. I'm like, yes, it works. All right, number two, when you guys are trying to capture leads, and you guys are trying to do any type of multi-level marketing like lead generation, For one, you have to have the right type of bait. That's step one. You have to know who you're talking about and have the right type of bait. All right. Step two is you must capture the lead, right? Like when you're talking about lead generation, it's not just about social media generation or referrals or something like that. You need something that you could actually, right? Like check out this part right here. You need something that you could actually see, that you could actually like capture their information so you could follow up, right? Like you must capture that information, right? You see this big red circle? That's so I could capture their lead information, right? So I got the bait and I got them on the hook, and then now they're on my website, which is like the hook, and then they must enter their email address, which is, oh, I got them. We're doing good. All right. All right. So we have the bait. We must have the right type of bait if we're going to catch the right type of marketer, the right type of person that we actually want into our business, right? And so this is just a free thing for you guys. If you guys did want this website, it's onlinetrafficgods.com/free MLM, all one word on the last one. All right. And then once you have that email, the next step, right? The next step is follow up. All right, so guys, here's the really cool thing is, for me, this website, this is where I drive all my MLM traffic to capture that traffic and to actually use that traffic later on, right? I could actually build an email list and I could promote any product that I want to this list. So that's what I'm trying to encourage you guys to do is, one, get the right bait. Two, capture their email and information. And then three, you must follow up with them. And it doesn't matter what you follow up with them. It's follow up with them with your products, follow them up with your, like your opportunity, pick up the phone and call them, get in touch with them somehow, because those are like the three steps, right? Get the right type of bait, capture the lead information, follow up with them with whatever opportunity, like turn those email leads and turn those leads into actually sales for your business, And so that's a really, really important one. If you guys want my entire lead generation for multi-level marketers, for like this entire funnel, this is a 3-step website, and actually I give you the whole entire thing so you could just basically plug in your MLM into it and plug into your funnel and plug into your, and you're able to start having the right type of bait, having the right type of, capturing their emails, capturing the lead. And then number 3 is following up with them, and so literally it doesn't matter if your MLM shuts down, you own an email list, and that is the biggest deal. And so hopefully you guys got some massive value out of this. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I love you guys. Bye.